This is the lady beetle, the Asian lady beetle. This Asian lady beetle hides because they are hiding for their prey to prevent and to escape their predator. So this kind of there are a lot color and design of lady beetle in the Asian country like Philippines. There are a lot of many colorway and spot in their back. So we call it Asian lady beetle. So orange and yellow and orange, pure orange, and maybe sometimes they are yellow. It depends